Hi there, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be talking about passive income and I have 6 sources for you. So if you've always wondered how should I build my income, you can always look towards passive income because by definition, it does not require your active working hours and it actually has certain accruing benefits. So if this video suits you, stay tuned and watch for the rest of the video. So before we proceed further, I'd like to invite you to click on the subscribe button so that I can notify you each time there's a new video. I'll be releasing something every week. So without further ado, let's get on to the 6 key passive income strategies. The first one, which might surprise you, is actually driving with Grabhitch. When Grabhitch launched a couple of years back, I actually signed up very early. And what I realized is if it doesn't take me too much effort, I deem it as passive income because I also need to commute from this point to another point in any case. So why not earn a small fee, pick up a small amount while you're commuting and you actually make a friend on that journey. So Grabhitch is something that you can start off if you have a vehicle right now. The second passive income method is actually in photography. I have this friend Jimmy, he actually does photography and he puts it on Istock. So what he does is he gets a license from Istock, and whenever someone downloads an image that he has captured before, a professional image especially, that actually brings upon passive income because he has an album, a collection of photos that corporations can buy for their own magazines or for their own marketing material, and he actually gets a small fee for it. From the last I've heard, he's building about $50 to $100 a month in passive income for that. And all this is relating to a passion that he has for photography. So if you are good with photography, consider Istock as an option to develop your own passive income. The third method is actually in the website, a website passive income. So how does it go? There's actually this thing called Google AdSense and I've been playing with it for a while. So I have this website, the Astute Parent, as you know, and with traffic, Google actually pays me a small amount each month. So that is a source whereby I can deliver passive income without putting in too much effort, creating just a banner space for Google to sell its advertisements. So if you're good at writing, consider writing a blog and delivering passive income for yourself. The fourth method is actually in property rental income. Okay, this is something that requires quite a bit of capital, and I actually am renting my HDB unit for $2,000 a month. As you can see, property rental income is something that's a big ticket, and it is something that you do after you have reached a certain stage in your own finances. And I have a video below that is between property rental income and dividend income. So if you're keen to find out, look for the link below. I have a full coverage of that topic. And property rental income is definitely a source you should aspire to build. So the fifth one is actually on interest income. Interest income can come from a few sources. It can come from your Singapore savings bond if you have invested in it, or it can come from simply an account with the bank. For example, the OCBC 360 account which I use personally, or the BOC one or the UOB one, some of them which are very popular. So actually interest income is something that's very easy to earn. You just credit your salary, you just follow the rules in terms of spending, for example, and you can actually clock a certain amount per month basis. And small amounts add up, and this brings upon passive income that you can achieve very easily. The sixth and final point is actually an investment passive income. So what is investment passive income? That is simply dividend income. So if you're keen to find out more, I've actually a link below because I provide advisory work on investment portfolios. Something that can be created with any amount and something that can be built if you are just starting out right now in your financial journey. So if you're interested, again, look for the link below. So there you have it, my 6 methods for delivering passive income. So the challenge I have for you today is to start early. If you have a different method, I'd like to see it in the comment sections below so that I can share more with our fellow viewers. So I would like to invite you to also press on the subscribe button, and I'll see you in a future video. Take care and goodbye.